Hey everyone, welcome back to a new episode of What Was Cooking. Today we're going to be making a delicious dish, garlic prawns. Let's see how that's done. First we're just going to want to start with adding in a bit of olive oil. Following that, we'll chuck in some butter. Let's give that a bit of a mix around. Into the garlic butter, we're going to want to add in our garlic. So we're going to want the garlic to infuse with the butter and the olive oil. Now I've already peeled and washed the prawns and left the tails on them for easy eating. So we're just going to take a handful of prawns, we're just going to put them straight into it. And let them cook up. Just give them a slow mix around. Now this should only take about 5 minutes to cook the prawns through, and they'll be ready to eat. I started cooking these prawns off on a medium heat. Now I'm just going to turn it up to high, just so I can finish it off with that proper sizzle. Beautiful. They're done and ready to plate off. Don't forget just a bit of that garlic butter.